Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Wound made to inflate BoraPlus 3-in-1 jump starter. It's an air compressor and a power bank, and of course, a jump starter in one device. Jumpstart the dead batteries in seconds, inflate big tires in 1 minute, and charge your devices all from one powerful portable unit. We meet the most advanced Wound jet. BoraPlus combines a powerful 150 psi inflator with a high capacity of 16,000 mAh jump starter and a fast charging power bank in one compact design. Engineered for every journey, it delivers instant inflation, reliable power, and a total confidence wherever the road takes us. The BoraPlus features a powerful 12-volt jump starter delivering up to 1,000 ampere peak current, ready to bring our vehicle back to life in seconds. And compact yet mighty. It jump starts up to 6-liter gas or 2.5-liter diesel engines effortlessly. This giving us an instant power when we need it most, without waiting for roadside assistance. And this is engineered for endurance. At the heart of the BoraPlus lies a massive 16,000 mAh high-density lithium battery, the true powerhouse behind its multi-function design. This advanced energy core fuels powerful jump starts, ensure a long-lasting inflation session, and delivers a power bank performance for all our devices. And easily can we inflate 4 off-road tires. The BoraPlus delivers exceptional power for even the largest SUV and off-road tires, yet remains incredibly easy to use. Its automatic shut-off function and accurate digital pressure control makes the inflation effortless and precise every time. With a 5-quick select preset for cars, motorcycles, bikes, balls, and more, the BoraPlus adapts instantly to our needs. No guesswork, no overinflation, just pure confidence. And the most powerful inflator yet. Built with a 22mm high-performance motor cylinder, 150 psi maximum pressure, and 35 liters per minute airflow, the BoraPlus redefines speed and thrust. From car and SUV tires to sports gears and beyond, it delivers instant inflation in just seconds, effortlessly handling even the toughest jobs. And we can charge all our devices anywhere. From laptops to phones to tablets, the BoraPlus isn't just for a car. It's a portable powerhouse too, with 65-watt ultra-fast charging. It keeps us connected wherever we are camping, traveling, or working remotely. And of course, universal compatibility. From cars and pickup trucks to off-road vehicles, motorcycles, scooters, bikes, and sport balls, the BoraPlus is built to handle it all. Pickup trucks to up to 48 psi. SUV cars 2 up to 48 psi, 10 times the car tires, 1 minute per tire. Motorbikes 0 up to 40 psi, 15 times per charge. Bicycle 25 scooter rod tires, no problem, and you can recharge 150 balls with 1 power. That's all brings us this Wound BoraPlus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel.